Friends, I am Praveen Rao. This is Nature Register YouTube channel. Friends, I am bringing out certain videos on wildlife and nature. Especially I brought certain videos of Uttar Pradesh state in India, which are regarding the sanctuaries and how to reach there and what are the different birds that you can find in those sanctuaries. So some of my friends have asked me, how do I do the route map animation? Friends, I wish to tell you about the details what I used to do, because there are two different methods. One is through Adobe Photoshop and second one is through Keynote. Keynote is the software given in the Apple laptops. So Keynote is one of the most user-friendly software through which I have prepared this animation, route map animation. I have given the route from Delhi to Agra, that is the Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal is, as you know, is one of the most world famous heritage sites, and I have divided this map into three parts. One is from Delhi Airport, Terminal 3 to Taj Expressway, the Greater Noida Expressway, and from Greater Noida Expressway up to the Kuber Cut, which is near the Agra, and from there once again the city starts up to the West Gate parking of Taj Mahal. These three things I have given. Then I have prepared a small video clip of it for the benefit of the YouTubers who are coming up, who wish to make the route map animation. Kindly see it and enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching it. And if you like these videos, I'll try to come up with more such videos in future so that the YouTubers can be benefited by it. Initially, I'll tell you which map I am going to animate. For this I have taken the Delhi Agra map from Delhi Airport up to Agra. This is the map which is showing the way from Delhi to Agra. Next step, we are taking it in different parts. I am opening the Google Maps again. In the Google Maps, we are typing for the Terminal 3 and the destination also we are typing in it, Noida, Greater Noida Expressway. So this is the route of Terminal 3 to Noida, Greater Noida Expressway, and done away the route, saved the map by screenshot. Now we are opening the screenshot on Adobe Photoshop. Crop it to 16:9 ratio so that a video clip can be prepared with the help of 16:9 ratio. We are saving this screenshot. And the second map which we are doing is that second part of it, which is from Noida, Greater Noida Expressway to Kuber Cut, which is the long route. Even in the third one, we are repeating the same from Kuber Cut, Agra to Taj Mahal West Gate parking. Even for this, screenshot has been taken and resized to 16:9 ratio, centering the area which is to be animated. Now the base maps have been done. Now we are using Keynote version 7.3. I'll show you how we animate in this. First of all, open a new document, choose a new document and go to Documents and size the slide size to widescreen, which is 16:9. Delete these ones Then go to insert and choose. From that we'll insert the very first map, which is Delhi Airport to Noida Greater Noida Expressway. Drag it to the size of the slide. Then go to insert again, go to line, then take the draw with pen, click on the initial point once and drag it to the end point and double click there. Then go to format and increase the width of the line and also choose a color for the route to be shown, and just click with the left mouse click and push onto the road which is to be shown, and once it is shown another point is visible which can be pushed as shown in the video. Repeat the steps so that the line aligns with the road. After this, I prefer showing it with the dotted lines and increase the size once again so that the dots are clear. Then I am showing it with the end arrow point so that the direction in which it is moving is clear. Now go to animation and select line draw. It seems the line is very fast. The duration and the directions you can increase depending upon your choice, which can be slowed down. Add slide and insert the second map which we have taken, that is from Noida Greater Noida Expressway to Kuberkat. Repeat all the steps which we have done in the earlier video. This is the final clip in which animation is to be done. The arrowhead is to be put in the direction in which animation is to be done. Once all the three clips have been prepared, now export this video to the QuickTime. Go to next slide and go to the next build after. There should be 0 so that there is no time gap between transition from one slide to another slide. Choose 1080p and choose the destination where it is to be saved. And export. The video is done. Friends, if you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe to the channel so that I can bring out more videos like this for your benefit. Thank you so much.